Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camper step is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any RVer, providing a stable and secure platform to safely enter and exit your vehicle, especially when parked on uneven terrain or when dealing with higher ground clearances, ensuring you can access your home on wheels with confidence and ease, making it a crucial addition for enhancing the overall convenience and safety of your mobile living experience. Number 5. Camco Save-A-Step RV Step Brace. Tired of shaky RV steps? This brace eliminates wobble, providing a secure and stable footing every time you step in or out of your RV. Don't let your RV steps sag or wear out prematurely. This stabilizer prolongs their lifespan, keeping your entryway safe and secure for countless trips. Easily adjust the height from 4.58 to 8 inches to perfectly fit your specific travel trailer steps. It ensures reliable support tailored to your needs. With a robust 1,000 pounds load rating, you can confidently embark and disembark your RV, enjoy peace of mind during all your adventures. Crafted from heavy-gauge steel with a solid metal screw thread, this brace offers steadfast support. You can trust its durability for safe entry and exit. What we like. This brace offers exceptional stability and protects your RV steps from wear. If you're looking for a way to reinforce existing steps and ensure a secure entry, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to extend the life of their camper's steps and prevent sagging. What people say. The steps are very sturdy and well built. Easy to deploy and retract, making it convenient to use. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, even when wet. Number 4. Lippert Solid Step 26 Quad Manual RV Step. Experience a steady platform with our extra-wide top step and aluminum treads. Its adjustable legs adapt to uneven ground, giving you a secure foothold every time. Packing up is simple. It conveniently folds up right into your RV's entry doorway, making your departure hassle-free. We've designed this with your safety in mind. Recessed feet reduce tripping hazards, while the steel construction eliminates bounce for superior stability. Get set up in no time. All necessary hardware is included, and it seamlessly installs into your RV's existing entry door threshold. Available in double, triple, and quad assemblies, each is crafted to fit various RV entryways. Be sure to check our measurement guide for the perfect fit. What we like. This assembly provides a wide, steady platform with adjustable legs for uneven terrain. If you need a robust, integrated step solution that folds neatly away, consider this. It's perfect for those who prioritize safety and convenience in their RV entryway. What people say. The step is sturdy and well built, providing a stable platform for accessing the camper. It's easy to deploy and retract, making it convenient for quick stops. The non-slip surface ensures safety, especially in wet conditions. Number 3. Lippert Solid Step Quad Step. Experience a new level of stability with our extra-wide top step and aluminum treads. Its adjustable legs ensure a steady platform, even on uneven ground. Packing up is a breeze. This step assembly conveniently folds up right into your RV's entry doorway, making your departure hassle-free. Safety is paramount. Recessed feet at the base significantly reduce tripping hazards, while the sturdy construction eliminates bounce for a secure feel. Get set up in no time. All necessary hardware is included, and it seamlessly installs into your existing entry door threshold. Find the perfect fit for your RV. Available in double, triple, and quad assemblies, each is crafted to suit various entryways. Be sure to check our guide for the ideal size. What we like. This step assembly offers superior stability and safety with its integrated design and anti-trip features. If you're seeking a step that feels solid underfoot and minimizes bounce, this is the one. It's designed for a seamless installation and a secure feel every time you enter or exit. What people say. The step is very sturdy and well made. It provides a good amount of clearance for my RV. The non-slip surface is a great safety feature. Number 2. Yagud Safety RV Height Adjustable Folding Platform Step. Introducing a robust and adaptable step for your RV. Its platform measures 17 by 12 inches, and the legs offer 4 adjustable height settings. Despite weighing only 5.4 pounds, it reliably supports up to 1,000 pounds. Engineered with your safety in mind, this step features a non-slip surface and thickened rubber feet for superior grip. Integrated reflective strips on 3 sides ensure visibility even in low light conditions. When folded, it's incredibly compact, measuring just 17 by 12 by 2.8 inches, making storage a breeze. A convenient carrying handle is also included for effortless transport. This adjustable step isn't just for RVs and SUVs. It's a versatile solution that can also be used at home, in the kitchen, or anywhere you need a stable height platform. Experience the perfect blend of durability, safety, and convenience with this essential RV accessory. It's designed to provide stable and secure access wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This platform step is incredibly lightweight, adjustable, and features safety enhancements like reflective strips. If you need a portable and versatile step that's easy to store and highly visible, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for RVs, SUVs, and even home use where a little extra height is needed. What people say. The step is sturdy and well-built, providing a stable platform for accessing the camper. It's easy to deploy and retract, making it convenient for quick stops. The non-slip surface ensures safety, even when wet. Number 1. Mifami Foldable One-Step RV Stool. Experience unmatched strength and durability. This stool is built with high-quality materials and advanced welding technology, ensuring it can support up to 500 pounds. Its water-resistant coating also protects against rust and the elements. Make getting in and out of your RV, motorhome, or trailer a breeze. Its all-metal construction provides a stable step, perfect for seniors, children, and pets. This stool isn't just for RVs, use it to reach high shelves in closets or pantries, or as a helpful bathroom or kitchen step for children. It serves as a reliable footstool at home for reaching high cabinets, or as a medical step, toilet stool, and more. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any household. Enjoy peace of mind with its fully covered non-slip platform and locking buttons on the ladder feet for double safety. The thickened rubber feet provide superior stability on any surface, indoors or out. Despite its robust construction, it's designed for easy portability. Take it wherever you go, and store it conveniently when not in use. What we like. This metal step stool offers a sturdy and stable platform with excellent grip, designed for easy entry and exit. If you have pets or seniors who need a little help getting into your RV, this is a fantastic solution. Its robust build and non-slip features provide confidence for all users. What people say. The steps are very sturdy and well-made. Easy to deploy and retract, making it convenient to use. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, even when wet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.